Hello AILET 2026 aspirants. Are you aware of the data or statistics related to AILET 2025 exam? Let us have a check into this. My dear students, the number of candidates who appeared for the AILET 2025 examination was 18,717. Now, the number of seats which are there in AILET is 110 plus 10 separately is for the foreign nationals and the OCI and PIO card holders. Now, the number of merit lists which were issued for the admission process in AILET 2025 was 8. So, 8 merit lists were issued. Now, the lowest rank to be offered admission into the 5-year BLLB honors program in NLU Delhi was as following. So, for a category and rank, the table has been drawn in front of you. You can clearly check that for the unreserved or general category, the least rank to be offered admission was the 61st rank. Then for the economically weaker sections, the least rank to be offered admission was 254. Then for the OBC non-creamy layer, the least rank to be offered admission was 522. Then for the scheduled caste category, the least rank to be offered admission was 1400. And then for the scheduled tribe category, the least rank to be offered admission was 2889. So just keep a note of this and start preparing. All the best.